that would be Anand Moore. Today, Anand Moore is presenting his 7th speech that is part of the Competent Communicator, which is the CC, Project 7 researcher topic. His speech topic is why I am a vegetarian. Through his speech, he will try to explain his point of view for being a vegetarian. He does not aim to change or influence anybody's opinion. The speech will be 7 to 9 minutes, and again, this is Anand Moore, why I am a vegetarian.
Hello Toastmasters, today's guest. Why I am vegetarian? When choosing this topic is being present on the day when we have the theme of barbecue. Why I am vegetarian? To begin with, my father was a great animal lover. He just not loved pet animals like a mouse, cat, dog or rabbits, but he loved also wild animals like a peacock or snake or fox. What he used to say, all animals are good because they taste different. And I am his son. I am all vegetarian. Why I am vegetarian? I am vegetarian because of 3 reasons. 3 simple reasons. Because back in India, where I born, there are many reasons, and majority of vegetarian will say that it's a religious to be vegetarian, or some will say that it's a spiritual reason because of that they are vegetarian. I'm not because of those all spiritual or the religious reason vegetarian, and my family is non-vegetarian or omnivorous, what they call it in scientific term. I am vegetarian because of the 3 reasons. First is anatomical reason. Second is hygiene or the health reason. And third reason is basically economical reason. So first reason, anatomical reason. Scientific or the biology has proven that human body is not made for eating the meat, raw meat. If it's cooked, not cooked, it's not easy to digest. For example, they gave some features of human body. Our teeth are not made like sharp teeth which can tear off the meat, raw meat easily. Or our hand or nails are not like a claws. Most of meat eater animals, they have the claws, sharp claws. Next thing is that our tongue or the total mouth structure is different. Our tongue is producing more saliva to digest the food. Other hand, meat eater has tongue to do the perspiration. Their skin is not porous, so they perspire through the tongue. Going a little more towards the tummy, we have less strong acids, and how much less? It's a 10 to 20 times less stronger acids than the comparative meat eater animal to digest the meat, which is relatively more proteinous and difficult to digest. Our intestine is natural grain eater or the vegetarian animals has the intestine which is 10 to 20 times longer to their body length, while meat eater animals has intestine which is just 3 to 4 times of their total body length. So that the food stays in the body for more longer time, and it's more chances that meat gets contaminated while it stays in the body. So that's a totally anatomical reason. So sometimes if I think, if we add all meat eaters features in human body and how the human will look like, I just sometimes think about it, human will look like something like this. I'm not like that. Going to second reason. Second reason is hygiene or the health reason. There is a dietary triangle which this which we always refer. This is the grain area which is most substantial part of our human diet. This is the vegetarian and the vegetarian fruits. That's the next part of our diet. And then comes the animal products, and then the small part is going to the meat. And then comes the anything processed like a sugar or maybe oil or sweets. So if you look at the meat, on the dietary triangle sits at very high level and it's not supposed to be consumed at very high quantity. Having said that, which means all of the nutrients like vitamins, mineral, protein, you take any carbohydrates, all of those are ample available on the vegetables which we can eat. And that's the reason, if you see in animal kingdom, most of strongest animals, you see elephants, you see zebra, or you see rhino, hippo, all are the strongest, not only strongest, but the long living animals, comparatively meat eater animals, those are all vegetarian. Normal life of lion or the tiger or the maybe dog, that just does 15 or 20 maximum years, while any elephant, they can live 50 to 70 years, which is comparable to human lifespan. On a hygiene reason, 30, 40, 50 years back, meat production industry has totally changed. Compared to 30, 40, 50 years back, today's meat industry has totally changed. Back then it used to be meat produced in home or yards or farms. Now it's all industrialized and just handful of 5 or 6 big major meat producing companies produce majority of America's meat. And there are more chances of getting this food contaminated with, first of all, the growth hormones. You have bacteria, viruses, you name it, Salmonella or E. coli, or you might have heard mad cow, all those diseases. And there are more and more cases every year or every decade which getting added of food recall. And those are just not affecting states, but the national wide. But while if you go at the vegetarian side, there is no mass production as such. There is a mass production, but at a very small level. So that's the second reason which is pulling me towards vegetarian. And third and most loving reason is economy. If you go to any restaurant and if you find out the menu, you will find that vegetarian food have less choices and is cheaper than comparative to meat food. So that's just helping my personal economy. Now going at a national economy level, 1 pound of meat production takes tens of pounds of grain fed to that animal, hundreds of gallons of water fed to that animal, plus greenhouse gases and all those waste in processing and everything. So if you just avoid eating the meat, that is 1 pound meat, you can feed 10 times more hungry people in the world with that kind of grain or the water or the greenhouse effects which we have. So that's the third and most important reason which I think has a greater impact. So just if somebody asks me question and if this is the person and I don't have 7 or 8 minutes to explain these all 3 reasons why I am vegetarian, I just say that I am vegetarian because I want to balance the ecosystem which was disturbed by my father by overeating the meat.